See me on the I-10.
Hello loves, this is Nikita again and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure you have subscribed and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my subsequent videos, because I assure you you're going to love it here. And please make sure you like this video even before you start watching. And if you are returning, sweetheart, I want you to know that I love you so much because you are the real deal, okay? And in this video, I am going to be showing you how I achieved this sleek low ponytail, okay? Extended sleek low ponytail, and it's totally effortless, so easy and so quick to do, and you do not have to worry about your hair being too short or whatever it is, because this hairstyle is achievable on any type of hair at all, okay? All you need to do is to grab your hair extension and let's do this.
Oh yeah. I used to be 14 in the crib trying to be a trap nigga. Now I got me some floor seats at the game trying to go bad nigga. Got me feeling like Spike Lee on the woods smoking on Pat nigga. Drunk texting my wifey so I know I'll get a text back nigga.
So here are the things we'll be using in this video today. I have my 24-inch Peruvian Bodywave. I've also got my bobby pins, my got to be freeze spray, my soft bristle brush, white toothed comb, and I've got a tail comb too, and then scrunchies, okay, or ponytail holders. Now let's set the ball rolling.
Almost signed a deal, but
point, you can use a glue to secure the wefts on your braid, but I'm not so much of a glue person. I don't really like glue, so I'm going to be using my bobby pins to secure. Okay, so you wrap the weft, the end of the weft around your hair, then you secure it with a bobby pin upside down. Okay, so wrap, then you secure, you wrap and you secure. Okay, so that's what we are going to be doing, and you want to do this as tight as you can. There you have your sleek, low, extended ponytail. I know, it's really easy. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you have subscribed and liked this video and clicked on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my subsequent videos. I'll see you in my next video.